Hi everybody, it's 2020, the week before the Oscars, and it's time for Rene the Parrot's Oscar pick. As usual, Rene is offering his open source Oscar predictions after months and months of research, and he's ready to climb to the top of the standings this year. As he does every year, Rene indicates his Oscar choice by choosing a sunflower seed. So the first category up is documentary film. Okay, Rene, what do you think? Documentary film. The Edge of Democracy. Next, live action short film. Live action short film. What do you think, Rene? What's it going to be? It's going to be Brotherhood. Film editing. Film editing, Rene. What's it going to be? What's it going to be for film editing? Parasite. Original score. Original score. What do you say, Rene? What's your choice for original score? Little Women. Makeup and hairstyling. What do you think, makeup and hairstyling? (1917). Next up is sound mixing. Joker. Best actress. Scarlett Johansson, Marriage Story. Best actor. Choose best actor. Antonio Banderas, Pain and Glory. Dark Horse. Supporting actor. Think about it. I want you to think about it. Anthony Hopkins, The Two Popes. Visual effects. (1917). Original song. Into the Unknown. Foreign language film. Parasite. Animated feature film. Klaus. Cinematography. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Documentary short. In the Absence. Supporting actress. Margot Robbie, Bombshell. Sound editing. Joker. Animated short film. Daughter. Original screenplay. Marriage Story. Production design. The Irishman. Costume design. Only one. Jojo Rabbit. Adapted screenplay. Joker. Best director. 1917. Here we go for best picture. Best picture. A lot of choices. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Pacing. What will it be? Parasite. And that's it for the 2020 Rene's Oscar pick. As a bonus feature this year, we have an exclusive interview with Rene. What were your thoughts about this year's field? Okay, that's very profound. Thank you very much. We'll see you next year.